I picked up the tiny salad plants from the ground, making sure not to damage their roots. Then, I moved them into a small plastic container filled with soft, moist soil. I pressed the soil gently around each plant, giving them enough space to breathe and grow. After planting, I gave them a good drink of clean water. Water helps the young roots settle into their new home and stay fresh. I placed the container in a spot with light sun, perfect for salad plants to grow green and strong. After a few days, I added a small amount of chicken manure fertilizer. It's a natural source of nitrogen, perfect for helping salad leaves grow fast and bright green. I mixed it with water first, then poured it carefully around the base of each plant. In just a few weeks, the plants began to grow beautifully, tall, leafy, and full of life. From the ground to the pot, these little salad plants got a second chance, and they made the most of it. With care, water, and natural fertilizer, even the smallest plants can thrive. Don't throw away what nature gives. Help it grow.